has your name on it.
Which one has your name on it? Which bike has your name on it?
I need to open it.
Look at this. Right here.
You do have one. It's right here.
There, why don't you sit on it? And sit on it. You put your feet on the pedals. Oh, I think it fits perfect, and that's for you.
Oh, what is that he has there? There's H-E-L. Oh no, that's his. What is that, Zachary? Grater.
Oh,
Look at that, Alexa.
Oh my gosh, what is that?
That's a Goldie Blocks, Alexa. That's to make like a different kind of marble track, I think.
That's called Goldie Blocks. You want Oh, Daddy might have to help you.
That's gonna be really heavy.
Oh, that's very, very heavy. You want to open this one? Okay.
You have another present over there too, Zach. Oh, that's it. Yeah, that's for you and Alexa both. You might have to help him with that one. Mommy doesn't even know what that one is. What's that, Alexa? Is that a new helmet? What color is it?
You want to try it on?
That's for you and Alexa. It's a new kind of putty, Zach. We'll open it later.
Here, let me help
Oh, you
you
gotta
with the
cut it.
ribbon. Let me help you with the ribbon.
What you got there, Alexa? What do you see? Do you know what that is yet?
There you go. Now you rip off the paper.
Look at that, Alexa. They're magnets, Alexa.
More of your magnet tiles.
What's that, Zach? And there's another one next to the...
What's that over there? Oh, you have another one.
It's a book.
Flip it over. What kind of book is that? What kind of stickers? Dump truck, excavator, crane, cement mixer.
Look at that, Alexa. What would you like to open? Is that your bike? That is your bike. You know who gave you those bikes? Grandmom gave you those bikes. What do you say to Grandmom?
Zachary, you have one more one more present.